Hello guys, happy Friday. I'm being so extra today. I picked up these beautiful flowers from my local grocery store. I really wish there was like a floral like boutique or a local shop that I can go and pick out like peonies and beautiful flowers, but I don't have one. So I went to Kroger and they also ran out of like the brown paper. So I came home, I was determined. I was like, no, I need a really cute picture and I just wanted to look really pretty for myself because it makes me happy. So I took a Trader Joe paper bag and I cut it up and I wrapped my flowers in them. But I think it turned out so cute. And I wrapped a little bow. And look how pretty. I normally don't go for florals this bright. But I was like, you know what? It's a Friday in Ramadan. It's a special occasion. Like, I have to go all out. Okay, also, since it's Friday, we're going to make a special dessert. I don't eat dessert, but my family does. So I found a really nice recipe for a date cake. And I thought it was very festive, very Ramadan spirit. So we're going to make that. I will link the actual recipe down below. It's from some girl called Amina's Pantry. But she has some really, really good recipes. So I highly suggest you guys check her out. But I'm really, really excited. So let's first do the flowers and then we go make cake. I actually already started on the cake yesterday, but I recorded it all, so I'll show you guys. But today we're decorating. So today I'm making lentil soup for iftar, and I'm also making a dessert. You guys will see that. I also wanted to make brownies, but I don't think I have time. So maybe next vlog. But I did want to talk to you guys about something. This is going to be my last daily vlog. And I'm so sad to say that. I just really have a busy week up ahead. I go into work next week because I have training, and it's just going to be really, really hard to keep up. And this weekend I have a lot of errands to run, and I just need to catch up on a few things that I'm behind on. So between having all that and then also trying to keep up with like ibadah, I don't think I will have time to daily vlog. So unfortunately something has to give. But I will be vlogging Eid, and I'll vlog Eid preparations, I'll vlog Eid like treats I'm making, and all that. So I will be back like the last few days of Ramadan. My cousin is also coming into town to celebrate Eid with us, so that will be really, really fun. But yeah, I'm so sorry guys. I'm gonna miss it so much myself because it has been so fun to share these days with you guys, but I just need to focus on work next week. So yeah, but I hope you guys watch my old videos to stay motivated and encouraged. Don't fall off. Look how gorgeous they turned out. I also put the bow around here because I'm just so extra, but it turned out so pretty. The flowers are just gorgeous, like the colors. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here right next to my Ramadan sign. And it looks so good. Aww. I just pitted and halved about 10 dates. I'm going to put boiling water on here and let this soak for 15 minutes. We're going to add 2 eggs. Half cup of oil. I used avocado oil. A splash of vanilla. We're going to add powdered sugar slowly as we blend this. I'm going to pour in the dates and the water and blend this up. Okay, I totally used the wrong blender. You need this type of blender. So I'm putting all of my mixture in here and we're going to blend this up. I'm adding 1 cup flour. I'm adding a tablespoon of baking powder. I'm adding the wet ingredient to the dry ingredient, and we're gonna fold this in. Pour it in. Okay, it's actually the next day, so I baked this yesterday and I left it for a little bit too long, so it's burnt at the bottom. But I think it looks okay, it looks pretty decent, so we're gonna take this out. And I was trying to look for a cake stand. I couldn't find a cake stand, so we're gonna work with this. I'm gonna flip this over on here. Oh, it actually looks good. This side is burnt, but the other side isn't. So we'll focus on this side. It looks so good. Okay, now for the topping, we're gonna make a caramel sauce. I'm not gonna make this from scratch. I found this alternative. It's basically dulce de leche that you can pour on top. But if you wanted to, you can make yours from scratch. And the recipe that I found has a homemade from scratch dulce de leche. So I will link it down below if you guys want to take that route. But I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna warm it up and pour it on top. Okay, so I added a little bit of milk and I put in about 2/3 of the can, and I'm just mixing it on really low heat, and I can see it all melting. So I think this is a really good option if you're too lazy to make it from scratch, and it looks really good. Okay, now I have some chopped walnuts. This is optional, but it looks nice, so I'm gonna put some of those on top. Okay, now I chopped up some dates, and I'm gonna sprinkle this on. It's a little bit sticky. And this is the final cake. I think it turned out so pretty. In a hot pot, we added oil, onion, and garlic, and we're going to saute this until it's translucent. I also soaked red lentils for 10 minutes in 2 cups of water. I added a few spices like cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, and turmeric, and I'm just letting this cook for another 5 minutes. Pouring in all the lentils. These are washed. I forgot to show you guys, but I added veggie stock in here, or chicken stock, and then I blended it all together, and it's ready. Now you just plate it and serve with fresh squeezed lemon and parsley.
What is it supposed to be again?
Like Mediterranean lentil soup.
Okay.
You barely tried it.
No, it's really hot. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, kind of pick up.
Yeah, it needs salt.
No, it needs
Flavor.
Yeah, it just kind of tastes like chicken broth with lentils kind of in it.
That's exactly what it is.
Yeah.
Okay, well, add more spices, guys.
Pretty good though. I'll
Not
eat
bad.
it. Very good.
Really? Dad said it has no flavor.
No, it does have a flavor of the lentil.
Lentil?
Yeah.
Lentil. You want lemon?
I think lemon will enhance the taste of it. It may look a little bit more tastier. This is how. Very good. This is exactly how this soup is supposed to be. I like it.
So,
Good
10.
job.
I got a 10 for this soup. The recipe will be linked down below. So that is all for this Friday Ramadan special vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed my last 7 daily Ramadan vlogs. I had so much fun sharing my routine with you all. It really felt like we were spending Ramadan together, and it means a lot. I'm so sad to be taking a break, but I will be back at the end of Ramadan, inshallah. I'll be sharing a lot of Eid content, and yeah, until then, you guys take care, stay productive, keep me in your duas. You guys are always in mind. And if you guys want to see more content, follow me on Instagram. I'm there every single day. But until then, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in a couple weeks. Bye.